Uya kabisa umwancho omurigereria nabuna natika okumanya abukare litukorera nimbwate mugeni ime studio ase turachiko kwanira ebintu egati yabo chigosori echicha basubati inaki chire nabo igo inki kegendete gokorekana ase chiligi echichiansa egati yebintu binde binge igoboniga ntarachi go sari chinsa tiga mwarigani ime studio elinda tumanya marieta nabo igo ase akora go sentimu kiakora egati yebintu binde binge karibu sana mugeni ime studio.
Bea sana Stacy. Asama liza nguru ku Light Red Oyori. On the head coach ya Gusii Starlets.
Okay.
Timu ya Baswati waka Division 1.
Okay, buya kabisa gabuna moigure marieta yebo ikiranu ekermoni gatoko swa masayembo asingambo nyeri tukolia lero watabire buna ayene coach ya Gusii Starlets. Gusii Starlets yeye ndi ya chagete nabo igo ndi gwa chagete koyera.
Gusii Starlets ya chagete 2017 tuagete regional league. 2017 then tukawa promoted to Division 1. So tuatemile kwa Division 1 tukacha tukaira nanzo tukaka regional. But we thank God naende tuirani to Division 1. We were promoted this year. And 2017 tuachagete team.
Yes. Aye boniga kerokende ekero ya chagete 2017 wa chagete buna head coach gose na kiwa chagete ne team.
Yoko 2017 na alengesha bana technical bench as a coach. Tualenge na coach Kanuli.
Yes.
So now we promoted to CAF C in football ma toka soma.
Yes.
Aba promoted to CAF C. Tuache toka soma Kisumu whereby federation ya iweta mabaga ya tebango ondo wenso what team ya baiseke. Federation abayo kumwaka the affiliation fee na chibe chechi card.
Yes.
So by that time na lengo coach team ya baiseke ya Kisii University. So na ruete course ku Kisumu ngachangonjore team ya Kisii University tukalete lidali ya Gusii Starlets bono likaba at large Kisii and Nyamira.
Okay.
Yeah.
Buya kabisa igoboniga obokochi bubwago buna gwachagete iyo buna yacha igo naye pioneer kwenye chake okoba buna kwa karaire Kisii University naye pioneer korosi elieteli Gusii Starlets.
Nije pioneer lakini litali achete kere na achete ngaomera some few people baba musiri no barenge migosi no barenge tukaigwa ngatebanga elitake tokoruke team bandu bakasaba Gusii Starlets bandu bakaroot views lakini bataba sengencho team there yabaswati wako mupira ase usiengema tikatobeke Gusii Starlets at large yani ile ikukava Kisii and Nyamira.
Okay. Buya kabisa ekero mwachagete timu ya kero kende okonyimbole bware ngororo guse inaki league buna bono metekero mwaro sirieli mwasoire timu ye mechano nereganalia inki kya bete mogo tebana nonya na itwe license ye kobe coach na boigo coach mbiro biagerete kero kendo tebe na nguskole maga gusenaki.
I think challenges chia lengo na ende njiro bado njira era koze mwate timu kereta what sponsor. Challenge nechi nyingi. One ile federation ya lengo tuwakanira stadium ya tuwakanira ambulance na security.
Yes.
So buchacha tuwatumie ile county government tuwabato mugaka kumanage stadium kuruku mayaka. Alengo musani umuyasano Gusii Starlets takatebya keti na mogo cha mutumie keti.
Okay.
So chibe si chegeti chiti atakeri tuwakane 10,000 chegeti. Tuwalengo chegacha tuwatumia na away matches.
Yes.
So tukara akora igo ikasegete federation gatenini tebanga ya chibes cha korre cha bolide on tukachaka bono kuligi means of transportation akia bana bakoragira so challenges chiro raide chalengo.
Yes.
Yeah.
Igobaniga kuligereriga iga naki weka gocha kuru 2017 league kia cha krete ko soria
Division 1.
Division 1.
Initially, to have only Women Premier League. Sponsored by UNICEF.
Yes.
Only one team, only one league. But they get to watch on board. To Karos Division 1. Na ito kay restaurants. Wana stakeholders siya women.
Yes.
Tuwa Nairobi Gold Project. Tuwa TV Federation nga a league na league. Tika tuwa structure wana yaba mura.
Yes.
Tuwa county league, regional, Division 1. To end NSL Division 2. So that's why kwa roche wakaleta regional league and for now waleta NSL. So through our progress no kwa saransa kutwe saransa tamu tukabeke moyo tukaigwana na federation ya lengo yuruwetu kurukuniki mwendwa na era gatuigwa That's why we want to have it NSL tukaleta na regional league.
Okay. Alright, abuya kabisa kwa rasi timu ya Gusii Starlets ya bere nkogosori muri gari na kyo kwana ki amangana go select players kero kende scouting go korole.
Scouting lazima umaite mwana mwiseketa ngo mumura. Naro uli utageta kumanya umupira. Naro uli umupira ora manyingaye. So as a coach lazima ugende uligeli mwana ngakia waka, then you scout, you tap, alafu you nurture the talent. So scouting ange nyanze ngima. Asitayo ndaratara.
Yes.
I think a team ya needs the compromise of many people. To what omogere nari momoyikoyo, but majority no mwana mugusi cause team niyo mugusi. Lazima majority babe abanyene team.
Okay. Naki ogo describe a level ye talent ye team yago as a competition ye boniga division 1 wate.
Yeah.
Yes.
With the quality and nabachezaji balitubwate, I think we have the best team. But only struggling about financial.
Okay.
Kuma the team wekerita about financial. Nutuara wachezaji abaya, I think you cannot make it.
Yes.
Because 2017 tuarenga number 2. Trans Nzoia Falcons na ile number 1.
Yes.
Ikatu one point ya mo.
Yes.
Whereby umade 2017 2018 sponsor pia lengo yenkeo. Then 2019
league.
2019 2020 itu abete number 3 but covid ikakoreke ya chabona kile covid ya chete
bintu byanse
bikakoreke bikatenena. So I think we had good time during those days cause tu abwata ka support yakake.
Yes.
But for now we are struggling. Umate team struggle ikuligi chibesa wenda away match struggle work na ambulance umate dichiko nayo dio mupira ndiro.
Yes.
You must pay for ambulance security mpaka batoke. So tuwata bachezaji abaya. But because lack of sponsorship, then we cannot go far.
Yeah, na kio kinate tena ndingira ni kubuli Gusii Starlets. Ni goire nebwate umudhamini ndebonse?
No.
Okay.
Ndubwate umudhamini n'abantu bakosa mubugo. Tubwate group ya WhatsApp abo.
No korali okunyakorali sana. Nkonde torawe match. Again, the lack of umudhamini nkiyakogera anene mono ntagete tokwanire igure each walkovers. Yes.
I think neringa abantu bara umupira wabaiseke torasoa sana asamango ya mongo ya abantu bamanyanga umwana umwisike na nabo ate talent.
Yes.
So we lack knowledge. Umuntu yo ora konye team nabagotoka naro but yakonyaranga umupira wabaiseke tora musoa sana bongo. Two, then marketing.
Yes.
Umuntu akorengera inga team ye gwaka division 1 na ne abaiseke. Team nera ye gwaka division 1 yabamura. So ikorra karanga bo ngenda asaba iseke I'll not achieve my mission.
Yes.
Ngenda asaba mura. I think knowledge tu lakini ngora ego trochingi bintu byachake ko change. Some people have come in bachipa team chingao bakochi support kono le team ibege t-shirt ilikire company yo monto, you see bintu bune. So ndengine knowledge too, but with time ndenginga it will be good one day.
Gusii Starlets is the mother of Chitim anene Gusii okobekero tokuri buna chia ya chagete egati ya aba usoria abala Chitim embaroro nonya kisikweni simbaro barwete Gusii Starlets Gusii na kiyokurigere.
Gusii Starlets is the mother of teams in Nyanza tali Kisi.
Okay.
Yeah. Because initially we had Kaspo. Yes. Kaspo igacheka kolaki.
Kaspo women.
Iya kurukisumu igacheka kara Keranse. That's why tuacha gete Gusii Starlets. So we are the mother of all teams in Nyanza.
Yes.
Kisi Queens no mwana wa Gusii Starlets. Tuachete go register Chapadimba 2022. Tukatumia ita Kisi Queens.
Yes.
2020 I mean.
Yes.
Ita Kisi. That time aitwa bwata na ende COVID. Mande COVID ya cheteka unjere bintu.
Yes.
Ono tukarati ya kwanza waka Chapadimba litari katika reme. So ekere to achete nganyolanga mumana nara lwekuru kwa msili. Atebanga motako ngiriete ndumia atebya no problem. Ya dabosio.
Yes.
Ono Kisi Queens igacha. Tukacha nainde tukanyoro mwana ku Lowland.
Yes.
Ketwanyola Lowland.
Oyo soire nesao.
Soire nesele.
Okay.
Ketwanyola Lowland na ile kakoraki. both teams wata bachezaji ba Gusii Starlets.
Yes.
Cause umate role moibul na ndo wata bana bange. Abana bana baru umate na bako koraki.
Gote soka. Yes.
So Kisii Queens wata bachezaji bana 7 players.
Okay.
Lowland wabate 5 players.
Okay.
From Gusii Starlets.
So that's a good number. Ine timu ngima?
The national team wata bachezaji banne bagwaka national team.
Na barule Gusii Starlets. Okay.
Wana mbwata bachezaji babiri bali outside country.
Okay.
Oyo Janet Mora. Na mwana na Roko Kungaira.
Okay, Janet Mora no yo younger Starlets.
So I think apart from struggling,
yes,
nchendo chenga igento kero na korre mu
kero gwakorire
yakonyera bana.
All right. Kero kende mupiro yo kero abana babaka kosoria bari gare sigiti challenges chawe mupiro bwa abana boisike by then what challenges mbabwate binde binge babwente gukora animo mupiro yo nko baine kiriore nanko baure gento kende bagosora nyumba.
I think kere timu tabwate pesa inchuma na monto olio ngerete coaching instructor and everything tebyo mchezaji kemaine.
Yes.
Mutebi ngeti mutebwate pesa lakini tutage totokoleki tukusukio gendele vengao. So ndwanya kutwara pesa ende onsi toko mwana but nuko mumotisha nga mupiro yo nabora okonye mo
naro ligireti asegete.
Nabora okonye mutu nande bali bonsi babeire bako take in instruction dengi baikira asegete baro bakore chi university through football.
Yes.
Kisii Gusii Starlet.
Yes.
Baro bako sabone naro le form 4 akosoma busa.
Okay.
Baro na irema mayo gonsa baso iri bakosoma busa. So I think apart from token,
yes,
yendo kire mutu kilikia mana
okosoma buso minute na anko ba molichi scholarship.
It's when you have good relationship na some teams,
yes,
or schools,
yes,
au the wenga coach tato konyera bana batatu sebane,
yes,
oyokore form 4 muleta gochaga wanyolanga bamwete scholarship.
All right.
So ega sie team no kulikinga kyo mwana wakoraki akoragira school
nakiragira nakiakomenya welfare school. All right. Tokoligerera iga ekiminano kia lower division one tokena lower division kwarere keminano nkibwe kaini keri kia elite division tuteboni gabuna premier gose nonya NNSL ekegianse iga ekirokoligereria michando kike guchigia twara kulingana na keri kegoro tosome tutebe kurwa CBT korori nonya nasimo gwakera umepira moko enda sichi suguru gete nechi primary geti kwanyora nonya geti kero kikioka nkeri gekora ngekira neti guse kwarigerio officiating egatie bintu kebyora chikolige na ki ntotake sana bibe improved
in football to what primary and secondary level.
Yes.
So nonya kera kwa sugure primary onyo ko romo ntomya nchunsa nayo koleki ora kini primary chase.
Yes.
Secondary.
Yes.
Lower league una regional.
Yes.
Mwata na bo mpena bo kwa ndons. But because of challenges,
yes,
omate okonyore team ekwa ka regional league lakini ndichikole kotabanga lazima eketike be standard. But because of logistics,
yes,
na financially omate okonyore team tebwati tokonyara kurusi team ekwa ka regional league echi akane stadium 20,000 or 30,000.
yes,
you see. But asenge nchotake tabanda abana abakine,
yes,
they must make sure that banyora sabakoraki bagwa ko mupira. Going forward, lengi a program nero federation itagete uchokore gasi nechi school in terms of sports.
Yes.
So I think ekere chiti mchiwa ka lower league asebo na Kisii school gali lengi nabo timu osabiruli baga tiyabakira umupira.
Yes.
Officiating mother mostly gultua chakete league 2017. We have never paid the referee. Mondo waka ne referee ne federation.
Okay.
Up to now. So I think kero waka lower league itakere timu ya waka lower league ere waka na kuchakira division 1 to premier league nduli waka na.
Okay.
Lakini kuchakira regional county league na sub county
waka ne referee
itakere waka ne referee.
Okay.
I think county league is 1,000, sub county na bera 500 kuna bara yuane.
Yes.
So I think challenges nchiro aende referee ruma no moto taite onyore besa. So anyore timu ingi mukwale ngaya iganka tuli.
Yes.
Ngakio tokonya. Karod. So I think challenges are there, but one day we will overcome them.
You will be there. All right, akiro okurigere liga mangena aya lower link nabo igo oburai obubugutuka se lower link nonyena barai bali babegete ase bali ase lower link. Do you think they are doing enough koba onya guchigali go se kotete haki cha lower link?
I think lower link abarai baro talibonzi bwate no ha no mpira.
Okay.
I remember when I was relegated to regional last season. Kena achete regional league. Achete kanyoranga regional league. Yani mbama ito nonye lichiko. But saying nchini bwate experience nke. Tukakonya na Madam Benta.
Yes.
Oyolenge former women rep Kisumu. Tukakini abantu. But this seminar. Women rep cheito.
Yes.
You know leagues in Kenya chiko baranda. Women league chiko baranda na women department. Women rep cheito take this seminar.
Okay.
As a thing bado lakini
bado nyabeke wazi okoma ono gaki ntutagete tororera naki yatirire egenteke umupira oyo koru ase lower league na nero yabeire umupira monene bosiogari amachika bwatigwe buya egatie bintu binde binge
amachiko na Roma ete umuntu Roma ete neri chiko lakini oli okinete timu akanyi promote ko chirogora.
Yes.
Tachie gutebie timu yokina ngaki oika regional oso oika division 1 lichiko 1 2 3.
Yes.
Kwarore. That's all okonyoranga timu ekeria tirego cha division 1 eko struggle sana during first season.
Okay.
Eko cha catch up ekere second season yako reki yaso ile. But to me women rep to
women rep boka.
Ndo bara akole.
Bande class.
Ande class baleta abana bali on board. Babatebe machiko na alega nayo.
Yes.
Squeeze tuli ko beka socks elenus. Chiango socks bakoroka. Ya umwana gwa kanzali kabata chiango socks. Lakini kila kino ko cha division 1. Refatire umukwana lakini mwana chako mupira ne card.
Card.
Kwa wana conflict yako.
Bachakire bageki kunanda fasibati buna bakoge chikubwangu.
So I think it's just a seminar and we are organizing one seminar in Nyanza. Na utora beke workshop. Team chonsi waka county league and regional league.
Yes.
Tutuara stoko isaranza 20p. We have a seminar.
Yes.
Abana bali babanyanga umupiro ngakyo wako.
Okay.
Kwarore.
Chitimu cyaku si cyabanyaruka. Don't you think you guys nonya bali bale neseli numukaliga chi friendly games nchibwendete chibe chibu cyage nonya nekere season yete ne what do you usually do?
Yeah, friendly matches. Takere chitoke. Asobonge. 2 na chete bogere benchmarking. I was in bogere last it was on December.
Yes.
Actually I was the champion. Acheta alinga ka ngaira bachike bane.
Yes.
To register the kombe ketali. They put what we call Monaro gochore eta Victoria watoto champions cup bintu bunebi. So ekera na cheta na chinga kereta ga nyari bali.
Okay.
Na gete alenge January before school shirayuka. Tukakera linyaguta.
Yes.
So that abana banagorwa koli banyore exposure. Championship ni takire. Friendlies chitakire.
Okay.
Ekero mwana ya risko maito muiseke. Anyora mandasi buyego maito takonyala kumyoka kurambaka.
Okay.
So most of the time takero mu keep busy in the field of play.
Okay.
So to me it makes sense. Naende to abwate team yaba iseke gorukunga nyari bari chache Queens.
Yes.
Ekera abana bonsu ba rule as team cyabo chons biba irandrenka. Agachena babekamo. Twarosie team. Tuakompia. That's when tuachete mpaka nationals. Nairinga CDF ya rueta sama oka team MP.
Yes.
Bakarusio. Ono nduchiete nationals. But we were in Kisumu for regionals. Whereby we won. Yatakito ntuake nationals Mombasa. So that's the best way to go. Tuwale team ya moya kisi. Abana bakira bachire bonsi pi. Tuwale team. Tuwabekamo. Nyamiri tuwale team. Omabe ochabu eke twamuire gento twachamo twakanonye Nyanza
tournament.
Nyanza tournament.
All right. Buya kabisa ndoche kere producer nera kunya ntabi na chinsa cyabeire bobe lakini giga yo mweri gato kunya kurigereri ayebuna coach ayebuna oyori inkiora rore oroche kibwente kokoleka ase lower league echicha ase nkoyo yabasubati.
Lower league is just strictness. Awata banga samaki mukunje kama ngali.
Yes.
streetness mwana oyo ekerago kina tiya manyeri chiko ningi
Okay.
Wana mbaro na pani shali kwerende nimbwate league njine chairman na Nyaribari Church.
Okay.
Mbwate sub county league kwa men's youth team na women.
Okay.
Wana abana mbaro bache tabaga kali umupira. At the same time babere register zalia county league.
Okay.
So I punished them so that umwana ekerago kina banyanga neligoso wakera chitimu ibere.
Okay.
So strictness ama chiko umwana tiga akine kametenga kichiko lya mupira liga
yes.
And sensitization kina kira tokonya.
All right. Buyamono iga tutebe ligi wakorire useboniga ngaimumure.
Ligi twakora it was on 12th.
Okay.
12th last month. Division 1 hospital ako.
Division 1 ne ngoye limu ageta mweli na Lowland
na kwere na Ndarawet.
Okay. Number irenga mukolrete.
We are number 4 out of 9.
Out of 9. Yeah. Next season what do we expect?
Next season turochibona abana baramenyokire mutu.
Yes.
Na ntubona tigatoche tubanyora ali. Tubaitani wona ku Premier League. So next season expect higher competition from Gusii Starlet.
Okay. Yeah. All right. Buya kabisa iga tokora tinkomanya kirokende timu yago ya Gusii Starlet obotenirwa Gusii Starlet nkyo kubate.
Ono nenga kyo kolegasi.
Okay.
Rangles yabeiro matekero bwategento bitina nebinge. But for now let us put those things aside.
Yes.
And tuisaranse through structure your team, get all structure your team.
Yes.
To have anabali enough time and humble time. Yes. Mupira. And soon we are meeting. Go to a meeting. Tukanyete a signal from head office.
Yes.
When are we going to have a meeting?
Yes.
Yeah, national office. So get one a signal is when to go to Twisaranse wants to be management. Through a structure in here.
Yes.
Never
kubuli kali swali lyo mwelio. Federation ya kale ne federation ya bonia.
I think federation ya bono ya mbono ya Soirobis.
Yes.
Mbono ya Soirobis. Elia kale ya wati challenges chia na ile tuwa kuleta sana.
Yes.
I think there is a time baka tuka strike.
Yes.
Tukatayabanga chitimu chia Nyanza. Na chitimu chukuru East Africa. Yes. Eastern side.
Yes.
Tukagoma. Federation ya utomaji refarigeti chitimu chionsi nchi. Simply because chibe sanjiro chiko cha women. Chibe chiro FIFA ya utoma chiko konya chitimu.
Yes.
Mipira na ile gocha takile timu ewe mipira.
Yes.
You see kwanya oranga mipira ili gocha yala.
Siyekeira.
So I think changes nero for the first time to what madami no Bet Power.
Yes.
Women Football Cup.
Okay.
So I think going forward changes nchiro despite no mwako matangani.
Yes.
So we need to give them a humble time.
Humble time.
Webange.
Omobui o Division 1. Nkonyora ali chibesa.
Overall ose tuwate zones. Zones to discuss it. Ikabanga number 1 per zone.
Yes.
Akonyora 500,000 with the trophy.
Yes.
Wana tinda amanya kose alenge mangane siasa.
Oseba kwanete kwetera igo Lowland babwente konyora 500,000.
Tali babwente kangabone babwate 500,000.
Diriba kolete. Kangumba etu.
Net trophy.
Okay.
Then overall winner akonyora 1 million.
Igo kero chizoni rengachira
4 zones.
Ekero bago waka zone 4 zones. Ingwa kanibare
playoffs wazo wake tonyole overall champion.
Yes. Yeah. Playoffs bagende final. Bakani banyole bono yokuchikwira 1 million.
Overall champion.
Igo kuikira bono to kwana iga the winners wa each zone ba div 1 mbaranyora bado. Bara ikende.
They are supposed to be given 500,000 net trophy. So bikombe bili 4 na 2 million.
Igo maybe echibekire kando bara ko overall waka.
No, tinda kwana igo turoche ne committee ofisi yenye ya Soirobis.
Yes.
Elia
arenga se elia kare.
Elia arengo na elia tabeting aki structure 1 2 3.
All right. So abana babara so ba change their own structure.
Na ba change.
Okay.
Wasabata yabenga eli ba kwanete.
Commendatory. Ose commendatory million doko ba. Egati bintu biye kabisa. Asante sana se insight yeyu nariria ngiri swali ria bene ria buri goigana na kirende baganyiro ko bekero to konyoro mubui na ndi mono kugokera na team nero ya gusinero ya soire ekimino kirie kene NSL kwanyoro na ntutagete na team mbatagete gotenga ne team gochi nege kombe gochinka bakorire biye because it motivates
onye sponsor na ero mata ko proud.
Yes,
mata bara tebenga mwai 500,000 tigamba mende 200.
Yes, linda bana bali banyore kende bagosoera nkoko be season nyingi they have really worked hard na ndene ko motivate chitimu chinde chichiko kora kichinyori bagalia bena chiro cyo kora kicho kwirwanirira naryo ebintu bikoba ya kigima ekero to korega go sign out tinkumanya usenkwa bwate babere batatombare bago tomago chagigo bamaiga usenake
no bali bantu mana abachezaji bane
Vankwaneri sana. Nimba maita waiseke bali. Abazani bana bali.
Anto mada na inde gore yale Mother's Day. Mbata kangina kana kuru ku Petronila gali.
Mukwanira ali se camera.
No monge na.
Ndero to kwenye celebrate Mother's Day.
No monge no nenganjete. Alafu mugaka Andro Yori. Nere tata alenge defender kali ya MOW.
Oh.
Na familia yetu wants be at large.
Okay. All right. A player yangu akosorati. Tatu mino batene defender lenge.
Nje nalenge striker.
Okay.
Okogoro kanga ngasoe goalkeeper akego. Ngachikwangia kona ukoboko kasoka.
Wa.
Ono ngateba ngana njibo.
Kwa bwata mangana manga segeti. Buye kabisa. Alright, uyemo noiga asante sana sokwere libagalia golia bene lioko tarira Getembe TV chiobisi cheto kwene kelina mugusi nkonyorari insight ye rigere tikolina ki lower division na kiere egati yebintu binde binge ko gwakirambia mono ndochega Matilda igagende kontabina chinsa cha erire ngo nabwato magani me studio igoboniga omwancho umurigere litogendare gendera kurigereria nabo Getembe TV nabo gotegerera station ya Getembe linde kwenekeli amangana nikakobabia kabisa. Asante sana mpaka na ndeli tukoria Jumatatu tuchikumira na Asemande Sports elitaria ne Stacy Miruka. All right.
Eduka y'obumo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka echolide ili kuba tukachirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo iyo karose chirangi mense liga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ejo boyiko chire chechi brand ao ejo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao ndabono mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba isiko ya nyumba chire chikomentera nibwa amavuta yani oil na bwigo chiriya chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga nigo chire kurwase chire cheri kuririke iriya gatigati gwikari guri iriya bantabati bwigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo gwochoganya chirangi wikabunuraganye gwochoganire erangiriga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bwokwege namuna ekala yawo watagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutarire rero elibwe nyorere abamanyi na bwigo enekenga enyumba yawo use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduka yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyumucho yigo musongo iyoeranga neduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyoere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwe terase chinamba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
amarietane nere kimisuko na ere kimisuko no manyagetaria imeye nyagetaria nugapesi ni nyagetaria gotoka somo chobosongo ebwato bokoreri bwayo buyakigima na kobwamone gotumeka chi machine chekerero echi chiarure korwa sense ya South Korea nugapesi etobwato bokoreri boito gaiga na kobwamone twakonyiro mugusiasa atambe twaberire gaiga segeke tambe korwa mwako 2018 mugusi onde bwense obwate mechando wao unabono mochando bwegetekio mogongo gwatia amagora